strapped for cash, payday seems like a mile away, then this could help you out. If you like a drink, on your next payday, $4.95 on Amazon, free delivery. Turbo yeast, Sea Star Double Snake, 99p juice. Tip out 150ml. You need room for the sugar to go in and fermentation. Look, I've been there. If you follow the channel, you know I've been there. I have decided to buy 4 cans to walk home after work rather than get my train home. I've decided to buy a few cans rather than buy food for the evening. I've been there. I understand it. This little setup could help. Now, I wish I knew all this all those years ago, but I didn't. Hopefully, someone will see this and benefit from it. This $4.95 pack of yeast will make 14%, 99p, 14% juice, 14% alcohol. And in this one packet is 40 doses. Guys, 40 doses. 40 of these with a $5's worth of yeast. Right, like I said, tip out 150ml, then add the sugar. Screw the lid tight and dissolve. Shake it up to dissolve. Guys, if you haven't got sugar, look at this. You think I haven't been doing this? Look at this. Greggs, McDonald's, anywhere you go, just grab a couple. No one cares. Just grab a couple of sugar packets. Guys, shake it for 2 minutes, then shake it some more. Just make sure that sugar's dissolved. Shake it for 5 minutes. Guys, if you haven't got a weigh-in scales, 133 grams of sugar, which is what I put in there, 133 grams of sugar is 33 teaspoons. That easy. Now, the only thing left, this is such a high-tech process, takes about 6 minutes. Half a teaspoon of this, you've got 40 doses in the one pack. Shump, in he goes. That's it. Give him a bit of a shake up. You don't have to shake it like you would shake the sugar to dissolve it. Just shake it in, you know, be like that. Then release the lid, push the lid over. Do not tighten the lid. Gas will be produced and it will deform and possibly explode the carton. The juice you use, please use a juice without preservatives. Now, this is perfect. This is just apple juice from concentrate with added vitamin C. But 99p, 14% for cheap. Please don't try and add more sugar. More sugar will not make it stronger. More sugar creates an environment that the yeast are not happy and they will not produce alcohol, or not very much at all. Don't think adding more yeast will make stronger alcohol. It will not. It may start faster. It may even go all the way, but then you've wasted the yeast. You may as well just use the half a teaspoon. It's perfect. I'm going to put this one up in my airing cupboard. You know, with the big boiler, the water boiler? If you've got one of them, put it in there. It's about 25 degrees. If not, we're at the right temperature now where you can just leave it in a warm room and it'll be fine. It will work. This is just 24 hours later. Now, like 80% sure if you hear this, that is basically a solid indication that the fermentation is happening. So we just got to wait for that bubbling to stop. That's it. I'll see you once it's stopped. This is just 6 days later. I'm going to transfer it out of here because the bubbling has stopped. Now what I'm going to do is just pour it, most of it out. So there will be some sediment which is built up in the bottom, and we're going to pour it just enough so none of that sediment comes out. Perfect. A little bit left, that will be the sediment. Now, it's been 6 days. Just 6 days. This morning I noticed that there was no sound, fermentation had stopped. So if you look at this, this is a reading from a gravity meter. What this is showing is all the sugar that was in there has gone. It's turned to alcohol, even to a point where it's gone very dry. It's really eaten up the last bits of sugar. Now we've got almost a litre there. Guys, that's more than a bottle of wine. A bottle of wine is 750 ml. We've probably got about 800 ml there. There's your glass. Now the beauty of this Sea Star Snake yeast is it's such a clean fermenter. A lot of turbo yeasts ferment so aggressively they create a lot of what are called fusel alcohols, which give it a real funky smell. But this one is engineered not to give those pungent flavors and smells. 14.6%. That's so dry. It's aptly, it's so dry, it's kind of like, not sour, but excuse me. Just got a really dry wine feel to it. But this is where a teaspoon of sugar helps the medicine go down. A little bit of sugar. Mix that in. You can add more or less sugar if you want, depending on your own taste. This is probably just about right for me. I haven't tasted it yet, obviously, but I think that's going to be just about right. Much nicer. It takes away that really dry wine sensation and replaces it with a more mouthfeel, body. I mean, the alcohol, you can just tell it's almost 15% alcohol. The yeast, guys, is down in the description below. If you follow my link, it'll give me a small little bit of commission. But that's in the UK. If you follow it outside the UK, it will take you to your own Amazon depot, and it might not be stocked. I don't know. But it's worth a check, innit? What a hack. What an alcohol life hack. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.